Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, dear judges and audience. We will discuss about this motion is this House regret the massive involvement of AI in the professional workplace, example, recruitment, decision making, management, etc. I am as a formative team. Let me introduce myself. My name is Selvi Katrinada. I am from Excellence Senior High School Hafsa Zainul Hasan BPPT Genggong. Ladies and gentlemen, use of artificial intelligence (AI) in the workplace is the use of artificial intelligence technology to support, automate, or replace various work activities previously carried out by humans. This technology works by utilizing algorithms, big data, and machine learning systems to analyze information, make predictions, and help with decision making. First, recruitment and HR. Second, management and administration. Third, business decision making. Fourth, daily operation. While the use of artificial intelligence or AI in the workplace brings a lot of convenience, the reality is that there are also a number of negative impacts that cannot be ignored. One of the most obvious impacts is reduced employment. Many tasks that were previously performed by humans, such as administration, data analysis, and customer service, can now be replaced by machines. As a result, a number of workers are at risk of losing their jobs. In addition, AI also has the potential to cause bias and injustice because the system works based on data. If the data used already contain bias, then the result of the dedication will be biased. This is especially dangerous in the process on hiring and assessing employee performance. Another impact is the loss of human touch. In management and decision making, AI is fast and efficient, but machine lack empathy or moral consider. The discussion taken might benefit the company numerical, but ignore the humanitarian aspect. Too much reliance on technology is also a problem. If the system error is attacked by hacker or incorrectly predict data, the loss cost can be very large. Furthermore, because AI requires large amount of data, the risk of privacy breach and lack of sensitive information increase. Finally, excessive of use data can also lower worker motivation. If work feels judged only based on algorithm without paying attention to the human side, they can feel upset, lose their morale, and even no longer be loyal to company. The example, job reduction, the case of automation in factories. In many automotive factories such as Ford and General Motors in America, thousands of work are being replaced by AI-based robots for the assembly process. As a result, many workers lost their livelihood because their tasks were captured and faster to be done by machines. I really agree with this motion to create the massive involvement of artificial intelligence in the professional work of work, especially in the areas of recruitment, decision making, and management. Because although AI is able to speed up and process, in reality its use actually causes a lot of problems. First, in hiring, AI is often considered objective, but in fact AI systems are built on data that can bias. As a result, hiring decisions are not always fair and can even harm applicants who are actually qualified simply because they don't match the pattern the machine has. In other words, human opportunities are judged not by real ability but by imperfect algorithm. Second, in decision making, AI is indeed capable of processing large amount of data, but machines have no moral, ethical, or intuitive consideration. The resulting decision and can be numerically efficient, but they are detrimental to humans socially and emotionally. This is dangerous because business Decisions are not only about numbers, but also about humans' values. Third, in management, the overuse of OI makes human relationships in the workplace rigid and lose the empathy side. Work can feel only as number in the system, no longer as individual meet aspiration and needs. This has the potential to lower motivation, loyalty, and even create new inequity in the work environment. So clearly, the massive involvement of AI in the professional realm is regrettable. Instead of replacing it entirely, AI should only be an auxiliary tool, while the ultimate decision remains in the hands of humans who have common sense, morality, and sense of justice. AI is replacing humans, jobs are lost, unemployment is rising. AI use biased data, biased decision, injustice occur. If human jobs are replaced by data, then job opportunities will be reduced. As a result, unemployment areas, and if I work based on biased data, then the resulting decisions are also biased. The creates injustice, for example, in recruitment. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.